Hey all, shooting intros is not easy. This is like take 5. All right, basically, this is what I want to say. Thank you for joining me. If you've come to see this, I really appreciate you stopping by. The channel name is A Cut Above Recipes. Basically, I'm going to take care of a couple things. One, my son is 17. He's starting to enjoy food now instead of eating the mac and cheese that he used to eat up until he was 10 years old. He quite often tells me now, Dad, you should open a restaurant. Well, I've done that. I've been there. I'm not going to do that anymore. I have a private chef service. Basically what I do, I work for a private hunt club, and I also have a select few clients. I do anything from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I do weekends. I do holidays. Anywhere from 2 to 14 people. 16 people is generally my max. That's what the hunting club has on some of their days. I do anything regular food, wild game. I've done boar, I've done bear, I've done moose, the traditional stuff, pheasant, chucker, red legs, quail, you name it. I've been working in culinary for probably 37 years now. So I've been around the block a couple times. Basically about me, I hunt, I fish, I love the outdoors, I scuba dive. Right now I'm trying to figure out, find some people and make some connections and go spearfishing. I'm just starting to gather little bits of gear here and there, basic stuff, but just something new to try. I love trying new things. Don't always succeed, but hey, we go and we try, and that's what makes living life a beautiful thing. Basically, anyway, one more thing, Cut Above Recipes. I'm going to be showing you all the different recipes, wild game. My clients, they've been telling me I should do a cookbook. I'm not a writer. As you can see, I have trouble formulating thought. Just kidding. We're going to be doing different recipes that I've done for them. Again, hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, wild game, turn it, how to keep it moist, how to prepare different things, and the different things I've done over the years that people have liked. So with those two things, and once we start developing and getting to other things, I'll be expanding, maybe doing different items and figuring out different segments to do. But basically that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully you come along for the ride. I'm gonna be pretty much filming right here in the kitchen and feeding my family afterwards. So, all right, thanks for coming along, thanks for watching and hanging out, and hopefully take 5 is it. I basically have a I'm sorry, I'm looking at my notes, so I'm cheating here. No, it was 82, 1982, when I was first able to get my license. The first year, I think I was 13, 14. Thanks, Dad. He took me to my hunting, can't think of it. Anyway, he took me to where my hunter, boy, I'm awful. Okay. Anyway, so we shall see. And I'm rambling again, and I'm going to stop this one and start it over. This is going to be take 3. If they, hopefully I can take people. I'm so terrible at this. Hopefully if I get some viewers and they have any questions, please put anything down below in the comments descriptions, and I'll be able to create something that maybe you want to see, or I can answer some questions. Well, as you can see, it's going to be an adventure. Again, I'm new to this. It's very uncomfortable with taping myself and talking, but hopefully it'll get better. Thanks. Hopefully this will be better. It's very uncomfortable how I'm doing this. I'm not one for taping myself, but we're gonna see what happens and enjoy the ride, bumps and all.